We head to Schots Home Emporium in Melbourne to check in with Natalee Bowen for some tips and tricks you can use in your own home.
One of the first things that you do in a design process is always think about the floor upwards. So one of the beautiful products that we've got here at Schots Emporium are the gorgeous Encaustic, beautiful Terrazzo tiles. They're brand new to the market. These particular tiles are handmade, so they're actually got pigmentation that goes right the way down, so the more wear and tear that you have, the more beautiful effect that they have. This has got the mother of pearl through it, and you can actually see that beautiful reflection through there. And then these ones actually have marble chips, so just a beautifully smooth, beautiful feel. The idea of these is to really create features within the home. Don't overdo it. Don't do like a floor and wall tile. Make sure that you either use it all through the floor, a beautiful splashback feature in either a kitchen, butler's area, or a laundry area. And also make sure that they're going to be standout features in any room that you choose to design in.